Okay.
I'm gonna do this.
Go. You can use your thumb. You can use anything. Oh, go.
Which one?
Sige na, huwag ka nang tumingin doon. Any colors that you like. Punasan mo yung kamay mo doon, ho, para matanggal yung color, ha?
Okay. Mommy, this one?
Sige, kung saan mo ilagay, okay lang. Put everything.
Okay. It's green. It's green. Go. It's the pink. Okay. I'm gonna get
Sige na, huwag ka nang
Is it
tumingin dyan
pink
sa
or
ano.
purple?
Anything. Huwag ka nang tumingin sa tree. Okay na yan. You put
This one?
any colors.
Mommy, this one?
Bahala ka kung saan, anak.
Okay, I'm just gonna put it
Just
here.
from that photo, you can put colors anywhere. And any colors that you like.
Mommy, do you need to put it on the wall?
Teacher will put it on the wall, yeah.
It's dirty. Okay.
Huwag ka na magtingin dyan sa iPad. Enough na yan. Close mo na yung iPad.
Okay. Let's see.
You can use your thumb, anak, ha?
Mommy, where is it? Here?
Anywhere.
Okay.
Just make it quick. Anywhere. You can put anywhere, any
I'm
colors.
making a rainbow thing
It's okay.
from this one. It's a rainbow. Rainbow tissue. Oh. Okay. No.
You don't need to look at that one, na. Off mo na yung iPad.
Here. This is so dirty. I want yellow. Because it's yellow.
All colors na. All colors.
I'm gonna go here. Are you mad because there's noise?
Go na go.
Okay.
Huwag
Mommy,
masyadong lubog yung kamay mo, ha? Para hindi masyadong
Mommy, what
makapal yung
color? I
color.
don't remember.
Any color.
Can I choose
Kahit alin.
green? I want to choose green. Right over here.
Okay. Use your thumb naman. Use your thumb.
Because my friend do
Ben, ilaw.
thumb. Ugh! I don't want to use my thumb. Mommy, can I use purple?
Okay. Sige, kahit
My
ano naman.
hand. I'm so angry from the light. Anger. Okay. Mommy, can I put orange deer here beside purple? Okay.
You can use your thumb, anak, ha? You need to make thumb mo.
Why? Ooh, rainbow tissue.
Anak, we make it quick. Ano oras?
Mommy,
na
it's a
tayo?
rainbow tissue. Rainbow tissue. That's my hand are dirty. I'm gonna put I'm gonna put blue or pink. Pink will go beside purple because purple essence is pink. Ah,
Sige na, just dip your hand there. You don't need to.
okay. done like that. I'm gonna put red. Hello.
Be careful ha, yung kamay mo magkalat. You put pink here ha, later. Dito, kasi may kalat eh. You put pink now. On that dot.
This.
Here, on the dot. You put pink now.
Why?
Because there's dot. Dito. Okay, enough.
But I'm not done with this.
It's okay, sige na go.
Okay.
Punuin mo yan ng colors.
Can we put yellow?
Dumihan na rin, no? Hawakan yung papel mo. Hawakan yung papel.
Okay.
So,
Now
make
make
it
the
quick.
rainbow tissue. Rainbow tissue. I'm gonna keep this rainbow tissue.
Sige, next.
Okay, yellow.
Hawakan yung paper na isang mong kamay, ha?
Okay. I want brown.
Okay.